Sweenor Builders understands the value of landscape architecture from the onset, and that sort of comprehensive look is what yields a better product for the client. Hi, I'm Lisa Fraizer, landscape architect with Mather Page. My design philosophy is one that is collaborative. Mather Page continues to partner with Sweenor Builders because it's a wonderful collaboration. Working with them on several projects, we've developed a very good workflow, an ability to understand each other's process. And I think overall this project was such a success, from a really beautiful design collaboration with the homeowner, and then the execution of all the tradespeople, all of the contractors, and Sweenor Builders team. Sweenor Builders architectural designers, project managers, and the many layers that they have within their company has allowed us to develop a better product for the client. And ultimately, the design is only as good as the people that are building it.